Well, this is a building site, so we've got to get all this dirt off. I'll start from the top to the bottom. I just do half so as you girls and people can see how it picks up the dirt. New improved green glove, you just wipe.
Look at that, Bindi. That's amazing.
And all the dirt is just being sucked onto the fabric.
It's incredible. Look at that. Wow.
Mold everywhere. Look at this on the windowsills again, using the Hara green glove. You can use it for screens, runners and tracks as well. I'm going to show you how this works. Just with water, one wipe. You do not need a chemical. We're pulling the grime into the fabric. If you have a clean, dry surface, bacteria cannot grow. The Hara green glove.